Have you ever opened your phone, scroll through Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok and thought, everyone is winning except me? You see people your age or younger, making six figures, traveling the world, getting famous. Meanwhile, you feel stuck in the same routine, with the same paycheck, the same struggles. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and if you let it, it can destroy your confidence. But here's the truth, the internet is lying to you. And today, I'll show you why, and what you can do to escape the trap. Comparison is as old as humanity itself. Since ancient times, there were kings and peasants, emperors and soldiers, the rich and the poor. But before the internet, you weren't bombarded 24/7 with images of what others had and you didn't. You weren't constantly reminded of your failures just by opening an app. Now, you wake up, check your phone, and instantly see someone buying a new car, flexing their dream house, quitting their job to travel the world. But here's the ugly truth. What you're seeing is not reality. Social media is a highlight reel. No one is posting their bad days, their failures, their loneliness. They only show the best moments, filtered, edited, and sometimes even faked. Yet, your brain doesn't know the difference. You compare your unedited, messy life to their perfect, curated illusion. And that comparison is toxic. When you think everyone is ahead of you, something happens inside your mind. You start to feel jealous. You feel resentful. You might even feel hopeless. Why am I so far behind? Why does everything seem easy for them? Am I just not good enough? And the worst part? This mindset doesn't just make you feel bad. It stops you from taking action. Instead of working on yourself, you waste time scrolling, comparing, and feeling sorry for yourself. And that is exactly what these platforms want. The Bible warns us about this. James 3 verse 16. For where jealousy and selfish ambition exist, there will be disorder in every vile practice. Think about it. This constant comparison creates disorder in your mind. It distracts you, it steals your peace, and it keeps you stuck. But there is a way out. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, gave us a simple but powerful mindset shift. Don't set your mind on things you don't possess, but count the blessings you actually possess. Gratitude is the cure for comparison. Instead of focusing on what you lack, focus on what you do have. Your health, your skills, your relationships, your potential. Because here's the truth, no one has it all. Even the people you envy have struggles you don't see. So the real question is, are you going to waste time watching others win? Or are you going to take control of your own life? If you're sick of watching everyone else win, you need to start building something of your own. Stop just consuming. Start creating. It doesn't matter if you don't feel ready. It doesn't matter if you're scared. It doesn't even matter if you lose some money at first. What matters is getting started. Here's the thing. Everyone who's winning online started somewhere. Maybe you love tech. Start reviewing products. Maybe you have interesting thoughts, start a blog or a faceless YouTube channel. Maybe you're into fitness, document your journey. Maybe you love music, share your process. You don't have to be perfect. You don't even have to show your face. But you do have to start. Because the difference between you and those people you envy, they took action. They didn't just scroll. They didn't just dream. They did something. And sure, you might fail at first. You might make mistakes. But failure is better than standing still. Because when you create, something incredible happens. You stop focusing on what others have and start building your own path. The more you create, the less you'll care about what others are doing. The internet is designed to make you feel like you're always losing. But the truth is, your life is not a competition. You don't have to win the internet's game. You need to win in your own life. So stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Start creating. Your future self will thank you.